Are you looking for the best camping cookware sets for camping? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping cookware sets from reputable brands. After very much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. We can only assure you that here you will find the best camping cookware sets with the right quality reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The MalloMe is a popular budget option, and we wanted to see how it held up. While it has everything you need to get you through a camp meal, it was our least favorite cookware to use. It did fairly well at heat retention, but had the worst skillet in our test. The skillet had multiple hot spots and burns while cooking an egg, and the results weren't appetizing. The pot was second to last in our boil test, taking nearly 5 minutes to boil a liter of water. Gripping the low plastic top of the lid brings your fingers just millimeters from the metal. When this set was heated up, we had a hard time removing the lid without burning our fingertips. We weren't impressed with the extras that come with the set, either. The bowls were ridiculously tiny to actually eat from. The ladle came in handy a couple of times, but we could have done without it. Number 2. Stanley Base Camp Cook Set. This stainless steel set for 4 people has everything you need. Not only does it have a pot and pan, but it includes a cutting board, utensils, bowls, plates, and sporks. A dish drying rack also makes for an organized cleanup station. The 18/8 stainless steel heats evenly, is super durable, and cleans up like a breeze. Plus, it's totally fine to use it over an open flame. The efficient nesting makes this set incredibly easy to pack on a trip where you might be a little pressed for space. This set can easily accommodate 4 people, though it can support a bigger crowd, if necessary. The pot, which is nearly 4 quarts in volume, is equipped with a vented lid for simmering items. Includes 3.5-liter pot, vented lid, 7-inch tri-ply frying pan, cutting board, spatula, serving spoon, 4 6-inch plates, 4 22-ounce bowls, 4 sporks, dish drying rack, heat-resistant trivet, locking bungee. Number 3. GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper Nesting Cook Set. No one wants to scrub their dishes in the woods, so it's worth it to get a non-stick cooking set. The GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper Cook Set has everything you need, without the cleaning hassle. This is available in small, medium, or large, with the only difference being the size of the pots and frying pan. We recommend the large set. It has a 3-liter and a 5-liter pot, plus a 9-inch frying pan. Even with those 3 pieces of cookware, it only weighs a total of 3.4 pounds. With this, the pots and pans have the strong Teflon non-stick coating that keeps food from sticking, and easily wipes clean. Additionally, the set includes 2 lids that double as strainers. Conveniently, the lid for the large pot also fits the frying pan. A cutting board and a carrying sack are also included in the set, which nests snugly inside the large pot. The set includes a removable handle that fits each of the pots and pans, but with only one, you are unable to easily use 2 pots at a time. Thankfully, extra handles are available for sale. Number 4. G4 Free Outdoor Camping Cook Set. The least expensive cook set on our list is also one of the most compact. Each of the nesting pots and pans in the G4 Free Outdoor Camping Set feature silicone-coated handles that fold around the pot for easy storage. There are no utensils or plates included, which gives you the freedom to pack as many or as few as you need for your trip. The pans can also double as pot lids if you are making anything that must be covered during cooking, such as rice or rehydrated meals. Pros. Versatile. Pans and handles have multiple uses. Room to store spices and utensils inside the smallest pot. Cons. No plates or utensils. Mesh storage bag is barely large enough. Number 5. Winterial Camping Cookware Set. This 11-piece cook set has everything a solo backpacker needs for cooking up great one-pot meals in the backcountry. The non-stick pot, frying pan and kettle are accompanied by a bowl, spoon, ladle and sponge, and the whole lot packs neatly together inside a carry bag. The Winterial Camping Cook Set pots also have fold-away handles, and the aluminium is both hard-wearing and lightweight. A really excellent value cook set for camping and backpacking. Pros. Lightweight. Great value. Comes with kettle. Cons. Can be easy to burn the bottom of the pan if you're not careful. Pot lid handles are a little close to the metal of the lid. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.